Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm so excited because for today's episode, I'm going to share to you teasers in up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. So guys, if I have the prices, links, and product codes, of course, I would be linking it on the description box below. And I am inviting everyone to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about leads about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I will be sharing upcoming bags in SLGs. I will be noting the price, SKUs, and launch date if available. Kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs. Thank you to Matt D for sharing these. Happy shopping guys! So let us start first with the Men's Resort 2024 collection. Guys, the launch date of this one would be later this year. So the very first bag is the Keepall 45. What we have here is the material is in monogram canvas eclipse. And I could see guys like a fire print detail plus black leather. Next on this collection, we have the Keepall 35. Feature is, I love the material of this one. I quoted the modern, the May canvas. It comes with a bag tag and it has black leather trims as well. What do you think of this new design? Definitely, I would want to own one and add to my collection soon. Then we have the steamer wallet. So it features eclipse monogram canvas and we are going to see the fire print detail, and this is a crossbody bag. Guys, the fire print detail, I may be wrong because that is what I'm seeing currently with the lookbook that is on Instagram right now. Then next on this collection, we have a new design of bum bag. Again, the material is the eclipse monogram and we could see the fire print detail, and this is worn as a crossbody or as a bum bag style. So what do you think of this one? Would you go for this new style of bag? Please comment below. Then we have the soft chalk that features again the quote-unquote the modern, the May canvas print. I super love this print, and it comes with a matte black hardware, and you could wear this one as a crossbody. So which do you prefer more, the soft chalk or the other one from the women's section? Then we have the new crossbody bag, a new bag of LV for Men's Resort 2024. So the material is the empreinte leather, matte black hardware. It's a crossbody and it has a S-lock feature. Then guys, OMG, I feel this is going to be one of the famous bag of LV. So we have the soft Papillon bag. Again, it has a slouchy look, and I love again the new the May canvas print of this one. It comes with fully detachable top handles with black hardware. What do you think of this new style? Next, we have another new bag from LV. So it's a hobo bag. Comes in this very beautiful black empreinte leather, comes with a black empreinte top handle as well, and it comes with black leather corners as well. It resembled the pillow bag from the women's collection previously, don't you think? And again, another beautiful soft Papillon bag. Look how beautiful and gorgeous this is. Again, it features the modern, the May canvas print, comes with the detachable top handle, and comes with black hardware. Next, we have the Keepall 25 from the Men's Resort 2024. So again, this is another re-edition of the quote-unquote the May print, but this time it is now a full leather bag. Comes with a bag tag, and you could also wear this as a crossbody. So another soon to be famous and soon to be legendary bag, we have a Puffy Keepall 25. So again, this is a new design. So the feature is it comes in monogram, but this time it comes in blue. The Puffy design comes with a bag tag, and you could wear this as a crossbody. So another Keepout 25 design, we have the shearling feature. It comes in full leather body with shearling trims, and it comes with bag tag, and you could wear this one as a crossbody as well. What do you think of this design? Personally, I am not a fan of shearling. Then we have another Keepout 25 under the same collection. So full leather bag, and what's the difference is it comes now with the bicolor monogram, comes with bag tag, and you could wear this as a crossbody. Next collection is from the Monogram Collection. First, we have Keepout 35. So this is a brand new style. It features front leather, bag tag, and crossbody. Launch date is June 29, 2023. Once I have more prices, guys, I'll be sharing it to our fam here soon. Still on this collection, we have SLG. So we have a white wallet. Again, front leather, same launch date of June 29, 2023. Guys, would you want a white wallet on your collection? Personally, me, I am scared of white or cream. I would be choosing a darker color so it would not stain very easily. Then we have a blue pocket organizer. So again, it features the very beautiful front leather. And again, same launch date of June 29, 2023. It also comes in the white pocket organizer. Again, same feature, front leather. It has card slot and same launch date of June 29, 2023. So if I would be having more Monogram bags, I would be also showcasing here on our feature vlog. Please stay tuned on that one. Then we have the new Bag Charms collection. So first we have Mr. Keepout, same launch date June 29, 2023. So guys, what do you think of this new Bag Charms? It does resembles the Fendi Bag Charms that was designed by Karl Lagerfeld for Fendi. I honestly love the Fendis more versus the LVs. What do you think? It's just my opinion. Then we have a soft trunk charm. Again, same launch date June 29. So it comes with the monogram with black leather trims, and it comes with hands and eyes as well. Then we have Gaston Gym Charm. So again, it features Gaston, and he is on his gym clothes or workout wear. What do you think of this one, guys? And of course, we have the Vivian Gym Charm. So again, they are a couple, so she should also be in her gym or workout clothes. As you can see, she is carrying a dumbbell. Comes in the orange and blue combination color. What do you think of the new Bag Charm collection? Then guys, do you remember the new Macassar collection? This collection would be launching June 29 this year. So this one is the S-Lock Messenger bag. It features monogram canvas, treated leather, S-Lock closure, and it could wear this as a crossbody. Then we have the S-Lock vertical wallet, same feature but just different design. So this comes in the monogram canvas. As you can see here, once you open, it has two compartments. It has S-Lock closure, and you could wear this one as a crossbody. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So hope you did. So guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!